Good morning, students. How are you today? Welcome to our mathematics online class with teacher Hazel. Today we are going to continue about writing and reading numbers from 255 to 300. Are you ready, students? So if you are ready, we can start now. Students, before we proceed to our new lessons, we will have a short review about our lessons last time. Let us read the vocabulary. Now, let's review the vocabulary that we tackled last time. Vocabulary number 1 is 205. 205. When you write 205 in number symbols, you can write like this: 2, 0, and 5. How about vocabulary number 2? Vocabulary number 2 is 210. 210. When you write 210 and number symbols is 2, 1, and 0. Number 3 vocabulary is 215. 215. When you write, students, 215 and number symbols, you can write like this: 2, 1, and 5. Vocabulary is 220. 220. When you write 220 like this: 2, 2, and 0. Number 5 vocabulary is 225. 225. When you write 225 in number symbols, you can write like this: 2, 2, and 5. Number 6 vocabulary is 230. 230. When you write 230 in number symbols, you can write like this: 2, 2, 3, and 0. 2, 3, and 0. Number 7 vocabulary is 235. 235. When you write 235 in number symbols like this: 2, 3, and 5. Vocabulary number 8 is 240. 240. When you write 240 in number symbols, you should write 2, 4, and 0. Number 9 vocabulary is 245. 245. When you write 245 in number symbols, you can write 2, 4, and 5. And the 10th vocabulary is 250. 250. When you write 250 in number symbols, you can write 2, 5, and 0. Now, students, let's move forward to our lessons about writing and reading numbers from 255 to 300. Students, listen and repeat after me. Okay, students, now I'm going to show you the vocabulary that written in words and written in number and symbols. So, number 1 vocabulary that you see in our screen is written in words. 255. 255. Let's spell the word 255, students. TWOHUNDREDFIFTY. Don't forget to say the hyphen, FIVE when you read this word as 255. Now, I'm going to show you the numbers and symbols. How can you write 255 in number symbols? You can write like this: 2, 5, and 5. When you read this number as 255. Now, let's proceed to the number 2 vocabulary. Number 2 vocabulary is 260. 260. TWOUNDREDSIXTY. Students, how can you read this word? Very good. 260. But students, do you know how to write 260 in number symbols? Very good, students. 2, 6, and 0. But how can you read this number 260? You can read as 260. Number 3 vocabulary is 265. 265. TWOUNDREDSIXTY when you read this word as 265. But when you write 265 in number symbols, you can write 2, 6, and 5. Our number 4 vocabulary that written in word is 270. 270. TWOUNDREDSEVENTY. 270. Look at the number in symbols. 270 in number symbols is 2, 7, and 0. Number 5 vocabulary that written in words is 275. 275. Let's spell the word 275, students. TWOUNDREDSEVENTY. When you read these words again as 275. Okay, let me show you the number and symbols of 275. 2, 7, and 5. Number 6 vocabulary is 280. 280. Students, can you spell the word 280? Make it louder, please. Don't be shy. Very good. TWOUNDREDSIXTY. Awesome, students. But how can you read this word? You can read this word as excellent, students. 280. But wait a moment. How can you write 280 in number symbols, students? Wow, excellence again, students. 2, 8, and 0. Very good. 2, 8, and 0. When you read this number as 280. Number 7 vocabulary is 285. 285. Let me spell the word for you, students. TWOUNDREDSIXTY. When you read this word as 285. But when you write 285 in number symbols, you should write 2, 8, and 5. Next vocabulary is 290. 290. Students, Everybody must need to spell the word 290. 3, 2, 1, go. T W O H U N D R E D A N D N I N E T Y. Students, how can you read these words again? 290. Excellent, students. But how can you write 290 in number symbols? 2, 9, and 0. Very good. 2, 9, and 0, when you read these numbers as 290. Let's proceed to the number 9 vocabulary. Number 9 vocabulary is 295. 295. T W O H U N D R E D A N D N I N E C Y hyphen F I V E. 295 when you read this word. Okay, but when you write 295 in number symbols, you should write 2, 9, and 5. And our last vocabulary is 300. 300. Threehundred. 300. When you write 300 in number symbols is 300. Students, thank you for listening to Teacher Zell. Keep safe, everyone. Bye. See you tomorrow.